Okay, so my hunter shot this bull last night, right in the evening, and got it all processed, quartered up in the game bags, and just laid them across the log so they cooled at night. Packed out the loins and the backstrap. But I've got Carson coming in here helping me today to pack all 4 quarters out and the head. We're going to do all 4 quarters and the head in one trip, and I'm going to show you how we're going to set up this initial ascent pack by hanging both front quarters on the upper limbs. So what I'm going to start out doing is I've got the front shoulder. The front part of this that's going to go up against the body is really what would basically be the inside of the shoulder blade on the elk. That way the tendon right here that we're going to hang over the upper limb is facing forward. So you take your knife and you just cut right there where the tendon is, so you can see that. That's where the upper limb is going to hang. Basically, this will keep both front shoulders straight down Carson's side, keeping his spine in alignment, the weight pushing straight down, just like doing a regular back squat, as opposed to having all the weight in the back of the pack, pulling him back and having to compensate. So it's really going to save his back when he packs it out. And then we're going to set my frame pack up with both hind quarters. I'll show that, and then we'll be on the trail to get out. So start out with just this one here. We'll lay the pack down. I'm going to come in here. The cut's big enough. Take that upper buckle off and take the keeper off there. Run that through the tendon. And the upper limb is going to come right through here. You can see that. It's going to hang there. One strap around. And that one's going to be locked into place. Take the knife. At the other front. Take this upper clip off, undo the keeper. Tendon's going to point forward. Run the buckle through the tendon one more time on this side. Bring it up on the tendon like that. Come around. Basically, those 2 front shoulders are locked into place. Bring the lid up and over. Cinch that down. Cinch that down. You have your 2 front shoulders on one pack. Well balanced.